to you.
Come on.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Master.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wait. Before you will blow that candle, we need to hear the message from the parents.
Alright.
Salamat sa inyong present.
Okay. Your papa.
Para to.
Okay. So, Shania, what is your wish before you blow that one?
Alright. Yay.
Ready?
Come on.
And also the birthday of
Mikey!
Hi, happy birthday, Mikey. Okay, 1, 2, ready? Blow.
Alright, blow.
Happy birthday
To you! Yay!
And thank you sa donors. Sa mga
Yeah.
donors.
Alright!
Si Tita Ninia.
Yay! Welcome!
Direct pakisosam sa next sponsor.
Okay.
Okay. So now we will start the party. Music maestro.
Alright!